Okay, so for this recipe for the melting snowman cookies, you are going to need 110 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of softened unsalted butter. You are then going to need 275 grams of plain flour. For the icing, you are going to need 200 grams of icing sugar, and you will also need 3 to 4 tablespoons of whole milk also. Then for the decorations, you are going to need a handful of large white marshmallows for the snowman heads. You're also going to need some orange sweeties. You can really use any type of orange sweet. I'm just going for some orange jellies, and also some icing writing pens. So start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees and line 2 baking sheets with some grease-proof paper. Now put the sugar and butter into a bowl and cream together until thick and pale. Stir in your sieved flour until everything is mixed together. Once all the mixture is then mixed together, you are going to knead it with your hands and form a nice smooth round ball of dough. Then you need to dust your work surface with a little bit of flour and tip the mixture onto it and work it into a ball and make a dough. And then roll out with a rolling pin until you have about 5 millimeters of thickness. Then cut out circles with a cookie cutter. I actually don't have a cookie cutter, so I've been using a glass. But if you have a circle cookie cutter, I'd probably recommend using that over a glass. So you're going to need to bake the cookies in the oven for around 13 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown, and once they're out the oven, let them cool before you decorate. So to make the icing, you're going to mix 200 grams of icing sugar alongside the milk until you have a nice thick smooth white icing, and add as much as you feel is desired to the cookie just to ensure that the whole cookie is then covered. So moving on to decorating, I'm going to be taking one of the large white marshmallows and the black writing icing pen, and I'm just going to draw on 2 little black eyes using the pen. Then for the nose, I'm going to take a little orange sweet and just cut a little bit off the edge so it looks like a nose, and stick that on also with a little bit of white icing. And then I'm going to draw a mouth. So as he is a melting snowman, I have just drawn a little shocked mouth as if he was scared that he is melting. I'm then going to put these in the fridge for about 10 minutes to let everything set. I'm then going to apply the head to the body. Again, I'm going to take my black writing icing pen and just draw on some arms and also some buttons so it look like that he is melting. Guys, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, bye!